I tell people at Jamaica now for no night, you know.
My boyfriend is at your mother home. Call him for me, please.
The person that
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall.
yeah, my day again, my people. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. So, my people, I'm going to present a video to you. And I got the understanding from the video that a person confronted a male. In the video, me hear when the person said the word boyfriend. And in the video, me hear when the person said the word affair. I tell me if you think the person was wrong to do anything like this. Because I got the understanding from the video that the person went at a location or in front of a house. And these words had been said. Look and listen to the video for yourself carefully.
So, going up the hill at Montvey, knowing that my boyfriend is having another affair on me, and I have proof because I'm here now, and his vehicle parked right there. So I'm going by the vehicle and I'm going to call him.
Go on, people.
So here's the vehicle, people. Look, the vehicle is right there, and he's inside of the girl house. Hello? Hello? Hey girl. My boyfriend is there. Call him, please. My boyfriend is at your mother home. Call him for me, please. You see, I'm here. That's the vehicle. Right here. Park here, right? So tonight when I go home tonight, everything you have will be outside. On the road. Zacchaeus! Zach! Wala kayo eh? You at your home? You at your home? Come on, come for your clothes. Come for your clothes, you know ask. Come for your clothes, don't go me sleep, go me tell. Come for your clothes. Come for your clothes, come. Zacchaeus! You go place me. You hear me? Go place me. You hear me? Go place me. You see? You see where he is? Everybody, you see where he is? At another man's home. You see that?
That's funny.
You see him? You lie to me, you lie, knock me. Go on there. Knock me.
Yeah.
Remember how people work at you? Huh? So we're not there house right now. And this is children as a passport. Huh? Because if you wish you, I can somewhere else you go. I hear you come over there, I hear you. What? Big me for her. Go ahead. Big me for her. The woman man she was showing with, and the woman give that man for her, and the man got him done. Waiting. What?
Yes. The back up.
Huh? You think the better you get? Huh?
Give me
yes.
Give me
No, go to home.
Give me
Go to home, take your clothes, and go there. You hear me? You hear me? Drop me. Go, let's go for your clothes. Come for your clothes at my home and bring it there. That's space.
Have you ever hear one song where one artist do say, it wasn't me? You ever hear a song, but it wasn't me. You see, yeah, but was the person wrong to do something like that by confronting the person in such a way and so, you know? Was the person wrong to do so? Leave a comment let me know if you think the person was wrong to do anything like that by confronting the person like that. Oh, and me notice how the video show inside our motor vehicle and certain words that have been said as well to viewers and subscribers. You know that some people might think about jealousy when them look and listen to a situation like this. But yes. Leave a comment and comments, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. I don't know where the video be recorded, you know, but leave a comment and comments, let me know if you think the person was wrong to confront the person like that and so forth. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Alright, now my people, I want you to listen to some words that a person said in a video that I'm about to present to you. Now I got the understanding that some persons, or probably a lot of persons, might have seen this video before or listened to this video before, but nevertheless, for those who might have not heard some words that have been said in this video, listen carefully. Now the video shows what are believed to be animal remains, but I am not able to confirm what type of animal remains those bones that you can see in the video are. You see me? And I'm not able to confirm if some words that a person said in the video are accurate and are even true. But just in case, I think it would be good to just listen what the person has said. Just in case. Oh, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. And be careful where you eat. Be careful where you buy and eat. Listen.
So I tell people at Jamaica now for no night, you know. I saw donkey them, man. Donkey and ass bone them, man. D-bone, the man named D-bone them, I sit there, man. By the highway, I say, you know. And for no night, people. Yo, I donkey them there, you know. I saw ass, you know. Jaja.
So the people, I try to keep this video as family friendly as possible. So we did some form of editing to try and make sure to keep it family friendly. But think about it is with people. Me hear the person say some words, and it's not the first time me hear somebody said some words that are not exactly the same but somewhat similar. To each and every one, please be careful what you buy and eat. And again, I am not able to confirm if anything that a person said in this video are accurate and are even true. But just in case, we present the video to you so that you can at least hear what the person says. Let me move on to another topic with people. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person did something that I think is totally wrong. Really wrong. I think it's wrong. This video is going to show when a person removed something from two sides of a motor vehicle. See, and it just really look wrong in my point of view. Anyway, take a look at the video for yourself. I don't know where this video will be recorded. I do not know where the video will be recorded. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Look there. Check. Eh? Me I wonder what run through that the person in mind there. Watch it. The person that continue walk and turn back and then look what the person do. And watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Eh? The person was walking to a direction. Eh? And then the person may come to a stop and somewhat turn back. It looked like the person that got continuing and then something. And the person do what the person do. Then set away. I think they don't want me to jump to the conclusion. But anyways, my people, leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you and so forth. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.